it's Lisa, and I am doing my June currently page. And I always match up my monthly divider page, the colors here, to my page. So I want to do just something simple. I thought, let's just do some flowers, something fast, something simple. So I pulled out Posh Summer, and they have this page here. So you can see the bluey purple color, and you can see some lighter pinks, but you know, the greens. So I've never used this one before, so I'm using this page here. So if you've watched my previous video, I kind of did an update and what's been going on and how I've been feeling and all that kind of stuff. And it's not horrible, but it hasn't been great. Okay, so I need to figure out what I'm doing here. First of all, we're gonna get rid of that. Whoops, how crooked am I? And I always white out this on the bottom, because I don't use that. My husband is yelling. Hold on a second. Okay, so my husband, I don't know. I won't know until I edit this whether you can hear him or not. But we, of course, have been watching hockey because we're Canadian. So the finals are on, and it's Las Vegas Knights against Carolina. Holy smokes. Can't think of their name. Anyways, last year, I am from Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and I have now moved to Maricopa, Arizona. That's what I was doing. I was waiting these out when he started yelling. And I miss my Winnipeg Jets hockey team so much. We get to watch all their games, though, still. We stream their games. Anyways, last year, Nicholas Ehlers played for the Winnipeg Jets, and now he's playing for Carolina in the finals. So this is the first game of 7 for the finals to win. And he scored the first goal, and then, I completely missed. Am I going to be able to get... I'm not... You know what? We're leaving it missed. He just scored the second goal. So Carolina is winning 2-0, and Nicholas Ehlers scored, and my husband was yelling. I don't know if this is going to be too big or not. I need some tweezers. That's what I need. I'm a little bit more prepared. I've got my little box here. This is just a box that I got from Dollar Tree. Quite a while ago now, I guess. A year or two, maybe. And yeah, so he's screeching and screaming because Nicholas Ehlers... I want to look first. Just scored. Actually, I think that will be just fine. And I think, I kind of messed it up here. So maybe I'll put it on the black line. Yeah, we'll do that. These, I've looked at these stickers a few times over the years, 1 or 2 years that I've had that book, and I've never used them, but now that I see them on the page, oh wow, do I ever like them. I like them a lot. And I'm even tempted to white out the June and put this one across the top. That's what I'm going to do. I got to get rid of priorities and important. So I think I was going to say, if you watched my last video, I did a little update on what's been going on with me, how I've been feeling, what I've been doing, and it hasn't been great. Not bad. Nothing to worry about. Not bad. Just not great. Not I have anxiety and I've had depression, and I take antidepressant for it. The way I explain it, I'm thinking off to the side a little bit, and I can still fit maybe June over here. But let me look at it this way. And I'm very open and honest about it. It's actually has helped a few people, a few of my friends, knowing that they're not the only ones that have issues and stuff. And I just realized, where's my white pen? There's a big black line right here. So let's get our tweezers, and hopefully that'll hold them up. And so, yeah, I'm very open about it. But for me, what I think my biggest issue is, it's more of a chemical imbalance. I think my emotions are very big. I get mad easily. I get very sad where I'm crying. And this antidepressant just keeps me a little more even. And I find that I actually take it at night because I don't like feeling drowsy. I'm going to wait this all out right here. This pen is not doing its job very well here. It usually does a better job. There we go. I find that, let me write on myself. That usually gets the blobs going. Come on. Yeah, once you write too on it, it's, well, you know what? That's just gonna have to do. That's just gonna have to do. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. So yeah, my emotions are out of whack, right? That's what I was saying. Though I do get anxiety. I'll get kind of, one of the big things though that I found that I had when I was depressed was coping issues. And I saw a therapist. I had a fantastic therapist. Oh my gosh, I loved my therapist. He was fantastic. Half the time I figured everything out myself because he asked the right questions, right? And I figured out why this was happening or why that was happening. So yeah, it was really good. You know what I didn't do is grab boxes. I'm going to grab boxes. Okay, I grabbed Kelva Plan Pastel Basics. And I think I'm going to use this bluey purple color because it's the same as this color over here. This color here. And it's in these flowers. So I am going to go with a big one, or a regular box right in here to cover up that somewhat straight. And then I am going to take the double box, I think. And I think I'm going to put the double box this way. Ooh, that's really going crooked. Let's use this line here so we can see. Come on. There we go. Okay, we're going to do those there. And then right here, I kind of want to write some stuff in. I want to write how I feel in here. Oh yeah, that was if you watch my last video, I started that conversation, and of course I didn't finish it because my mind is everywhere. I was kind of telling you how I was feeling and stuff like that. And I mentioned why I hadn't been doing any planner videos in the last 2 months. And then I also told you what I'm going to be doing for June and July. So in that video, anyways, for my currently page for June and July, I want to put in how I'm feeling right here. And I'm going to be blunt. I'm going to put in like fat. I feel ugly. I feel tired and lazy. I have no emotions. I'm just neutral all the time. You know, like I'm literally going to tell it like it is. So I'm thinking just bullet points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'd like to be able, I'm just looking at these too. I'd like to be, here's a monthly habit tracker. Nope. This week, everything says this week. This week's focus. Today's top 3. This week I want to highlight of the week. I'm thinking that's not going to work. The other thing I was thinking was using the maybe that's what I'll do, is use one of these. But then it probably doesn't line up. Yeah, it doesn't line up with the lines. So that's not going to work. I'm actually thinking that maybe what I will do is take this box here and put it in here like so. And what I'll do is put in this as my title. And then what I'll do is put in just a couple bullet points for how I'm actually feeling. If I can get my fingers to work. I feel like I need to put a 4th one in. It's not going to be a very big writing spot though. I think that's okay. Okay, I need to find a June. Do I want to put, oh, do I want to put like a flower? I don't like upside down flowers. That's the only thing. I was thinking, oh, maybe I just do it. Thinking of putting maybe an upside down flower here. And then that'll just kind of take up this white space. Why don't I just put it the right side up? You know, it's exactly the same. You know what? I'm going to, ooh, I think the other one, oh no. Oh, please come up, please come up. There we go. I think this one is going in the other direction. It is, so that'll be better. Then it won't look exactly the same as this one. And I can just put it in like that. Oh, I see a cat hair. Maybe just on top the boxes a little. Something about it that I'm not liking. I don't know. I like the idea of putting it there, putting something there. Put this one back on here properly. My other option is this one. It's quite big. Let's try it though. I can go up into that box if I wanted to. It's not like that big a deal. I think I like that better. but I think I'm just going to go up, right up into the box like that. That's too high, and I rubbed it down already. Yeah, no, okay, well, that's the way it's staying. Okay, I need a June for up there. Okay, so last year I was using these a lot. I had an undated planner last year, and I see all my Junes are gone, except for this one, which is not a bad thing, because it's a very dark, it's either dark purpley blue, or dark purple, dark kind of navy, but not navy. See, this to me is navy, but yet this is, even though it's supposed to be the same, it looks a little more purple than that. Anyways, I don't even remember where those stickers came from. You'll just have to go back and look and watch all of my monthly planner videos for 2025, because I'm sure somewhere in there I told you where those stickers came from. Okay, so we've got June. I don't think I need to put 2026. I think that is probably pretty good. Okay, and so just an update of what I'm doing. I've got to put in the videos that I want to make for June in these boxes here. This will just be a title box, and then here I am writing what I am going, or writing what I'm feeling and the mood I'm in and that kind of stuff. Because for June and July, I'm going to go to the gym and I'm going to eat better, and I want to see the comparison on how I feel. And I go through all of that in my last video. So it was a small Hobby Lobby sticker clearance video with, I think I put update. So planner update maybe? I can't remember. It was a video right before this. So anyways, that is it for my June currently page. So let's see how they look together. Not too bad. This light pink is off a little bit, but yeah, I think it looks pretty good. They're really pretty stickers. And you figure I only put on 4 stickers. That's amazing. Yeah, I like it. All right. Next video up will be my June monthly. Have an absolutely wonderful day. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.